So hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Lonkar. I am from electronics branch. Now we are going to see a practical or a demonstration how we can create a virtual machine in Amazon AWS. For that, user must have an Amazon AWS account. For creating account, user need a debit card. You can see how we can create a account on Amazon AWS. Now we will just see how we can create a virtual machine in it. For that, after logging into Amazon AWS, user will see a login page or a home page like this. Here you can see the recently visited services. After that, you have to click on services. After in services section, a user must go in EC2. Okay, after that, we should select the region in which our virtual machine will be hosted. We will select for our instance Mumbai region. Now we will go on running instances. After that, there is no instance being run on this machine for Mumbai region. Now we will create a new instance. We have to give a name to our instance. Okay. After that, we have option to select the operating system of our virtual machine. The options are Amazon Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows. We will go with Windows as for this practical. Also, we have option to choose the instance type. For our free tier eligibility account, only T2 micro is available. For choosing other two, we have to pay extra for that. We need to create a key pair for our instance. You will understand why this thing is needed in upcoming time. The key pair name must be unique one. After that, the file format of our key pair must be in .pm file. We will simply click on create a key pair. Okay, now that file is downloaded, a user can change the network settings on, and also user have option to add or keep existing security groups. We will keep all settings by default. Here we will look at this. This is a local host address, means from any location we can access our virtual machine. Here are three options are available. Custom, we can customize the address for which or customize. In this we can give access to that machines from which we can access our virtual machine. Or there is a third one, that is my IP. From that means only from this device or this PC we can access our virtual machine. We will keep this as a local host. Here we have option to configure the storage of our virtual machine also. Okay, if user wants some more advanced details, user can also click on it and change according to their need. Now we will click on launch instance. It takes some approximately 10 to 20 seconds. Now yes, you can see it is done. We will go on our instance. Here you can see the instance state is pending. Now it is running. Now our instance is created, but we have to connect that instance with our virtual machine. So we will click on connect. For connecting, we need to go in RDP client. Here we need to download a remote desktop file. It's simply a virtual machine. Yes, you can see Vaibhav.rdp is downloaded. After that, to access that virtual machine, we need a password. We will click on get password. Okay, you can see we need to wait at least 4 minutes after launching an instance. So we will wait. So now time is done. Upload private key file. Here we have to upload that PM file. If you remember, we have created key value pair login. That file is need to upload here. Okay. After that, we will decrypt our password. We need to copy this password. This password is needed for accessing our virtual machine. Okay. Now here you can see this is our virtual machine. Connect. Here we need to paste that password. You need to give the necessary permissions that they are asking. It takes some time. So this is our virtual machine we created. Okay. Now we will simply close that machine. Okay. So that's all how we can create a virtual machine and how to connect our instance with our virtual machine. And so I hope everyone understood, and thank you all.